we go. I bet you that Bob's going to try to get a jump on Jeff early this time, see if he can get the lead and keep it. But Jeff knows that that's what he's going to probably try to do, so he's going to try to stop him.
All four jets getting ready to
just about see them coming down the chute.
Looks like the ground shaking a little bit. Well, that might have been the camera shaking. Went away for just a second. They'll be coming from this direction generally. Now we're back in the thing. We're all over the place here now. We're giving you lots of views.
I can hear him, but I can't see him.
We can hear him. Yep, you're right.
Yep.
You're about 5 seconds ahead of me. Here we go.
I know what to hear for, to listen to. So that's Jeff Turney in first. Bob McCormack right behind him. Alexandre Eckmann right between him and Nathan Harnagle.
And for that signal marker out there, just in the distance.
Yep, the guide pylon is the light that you see. Stay on the outside of that light, on the green part of the mountain. Going around the backside of the mountain. Backside of the course, I should say, and then coming around to the Valley of Speed.
Jeff Turney, Bob McCormack, just as we had predicted. Turney with the lead right now. McCormack with the altitude, so he's got a little speed in his pocket.
It's an early time to early in the race to make that pass, but he waited too long yesterday. It's a tight race.
Yeah,
very
he's joined
tight
the
race.
battle today, and is still being held off by Jeff Turney, but not by much.
Bob's going high. Going to try to use that altitude, gain some speed. Right now it's still Jeff. That's a fast motorsport.
Wow. Takes your breath away. And this is this is for Reno bragging rights here, this one.
Yeah, they're probably doing about 480 miles an hour. I'd like to see a NASCAR do that.
Yeah, I don't think that's coming anytime soon.
Yeah, probably not even Indy.
And this course is about
8 miles.
8 miles long.
Look at that. He looks like he's going for the pass again. You see Bob McCormack is high. Jeff Turney is low. Yellow wings versus white wings.
Jeff Turney flying that same line.
Looks like Bob's getting him there on the start of the Valley of Speed.
And here he comes.
Bob looks like he's got it now.
Going down, picking up speed, grabbing as much as he can. He's going to need it because he's going to...
Now that he safely has passed Jeff, he can take that line. So he can go down a little bit lower, and then he can take the line closer in on the pylons. But it doesn't.
How this developed. No,
it doesn't have it.
That angle can be a little tricky to watch there, and he's still just got him measured, but not taken.
As they go by, you can see the different wingtips on each one of them. Yeah, third and fourth is turning out to be a pretty good race as well. We've got Alexandre Eckmann and Nathan Harnagle. Number 37 and number 13, I believe. I'm going too fast for me to read numbers, but I can tell the colors. Third and fourth again.
Here they come. Ready to go down into the
beautiful
valley.
Blue aircraft. Green aircraft right behind him trying to... That's they're pretty evenly matched.
Clear to land, wind 1005.
Holding off.
See what's going on up here? Again, I'm wondering if it's a parallax view. With Bob, looks like he's in the lead.
It's a little deceptive, as we know.
I'm not calling this one until they come around.
Oh, it's fun to watch.
I call it the Valley of Speed for a reason. Here they come. Oh, yeah. Bob's got it this time. Well, maybe not. I don't know.
Oh, they are neck and neck. But again, heading into the turn. Just going to have the advantage there. These two flyers from Reno battling it out. They ought to know this course.
They do.
Inch of
They
it.
sure do. Jeff's been racing here a long time as well. Our running order is Turney, McCormack, Eckmann, and Harnagle as they started. So when you're in the lead, you get the better line. You get the lower line. You get the tighter in line. So the person trying to pass you has to go high and outside and has to add a little miles per hour to it so they get around.
He's got farther to go.
We used to estimate 8 miles per hour difference to get around somebody.
So Bob McCormack drop down right there.
Now what?
Boy, he sure looks like he's gained an advantage to me.
Gosh, it's close. bigger lead this time, and now what?
Just going to shake out on this series of pylons right here, and it looks like Jeff may be able to hang on.
Because of that tighter line. What ends up happening, we see it all the time, what ends up happening is the passing aircraft has to go further, especially in the turns. It really scrubs off some of the speed. So here it looks like we have a pass on the backside of the course right now. It looks like Bob has finally taken Jeff and headed towards the valley of speed.
McCormack is really up his game right here in lap number 4.
Listen
Take a look at that advantage.
Listen to those jets go by those pylons. That's great. And we still have a great race back in 3rd and 4th. You've got Alexandre Eckmann.
Nathan Hartnagel taking over.
Looks like he did.
Alexandre Eckmann.
But maybe looks are deceiving again.
Looks like he's got that line, though. Watch. Oh, nope. It was the other way around. Gets reversed, but boy, it is close.
Oh, wait.
I mean, nose to nose.
I don't know. They are tight.
2 great races going on, 1st and 2nd, 3rd and 4th.
The only one not mixing up is Charlie Camilleri in the back, and he's watching the action like we are. Bob McCormack is really pulling it out now.
It's like Jeff Turney has lost something there. Speed is not what it was at the start of the race. It does not appear to be.
3rd place just pulled out.
Wind 060 at 4.
Looks like Nathan Hartnagel is in Mayday. We'll keep you abreast of what's going on there. Bob McCormack is coming in for the checkered flag. Yep.
1354, would you like to change?
Bob McCormack, Jeff Turney, number 2.
It's going to go unofficially to Bob McCormack with Jeff Turney in 2nd this time around. A little bit of a turn of fortune. And Jeff Turney, we've still got an incident, a possible incident to look back at for you
3
here.
and 4. Looks like Charlie Camilleri got 3rd. But here's what the incident that we're looking at right now. That's Alexandre Eckmann, Nathan Hartnagel. They were pretty tight racing.
Out front there.
And then just too tight.
Oh, yes.
Oh, my
there
God.
was contact there. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, that was a definite hit right there. That takes your breath away. That is not good.
So those 2 have pulled out of the race. Charlie Camilleri was in 5th the whole time, and he was 3rd.
All right, we're keeping our eye on Alexandre Eckmann there in the wake of that contact there with race 13, Nathan Hartnagel. He is flying up.
I'd like to see as much of the wingtip as I can to see how much he's taken off.
Boy, there's some off of it for sure.
He sure did.
That one is not going to be racing again here, barring any sort of miracles. Right now, we're concerned with him getting on the ground safely.
Safely, exactly. Generally, they'll come in on 1-4 for Maydays like this. That's the runway right in front of us.
Still stable, still going there.
37, clear line runway, wind 090 at 4.
All right. And if you're just joining us, that's race 37. Alexandre Eckmann just sustained contact with race 13. All right, now that was moments ago. We can go live to him landing right now. Here we come in.
Gears down.
Gears there and working.
Difficult to maneuver an airplane with only half a wing, so.
Yeah, missing part of that right wing, for sure.
He's a professional.
All right.
Looks like he'll be fine. Yeah, folks, he's safely on the ground.
Boy, that's good news right there. Wow, scary moment.
Look at that damage on that wing. You can see it right there. See it on his right wing?
That is significant right there. That is a scary moment.
No kidding.
Could have been so much worse. We are thankful for what we're seeing right now.
We're seeing it right in front of us landing. He's doing fine. He's landed runway 8.
That is a salty bit of flying right there to sustain that and be able to put her down safely. We are so happy.
Want to see Nathan come in?
All right. I'm going to take one more look at what happened out there, and so happy that we have a good outcome,
Yes.
safety-wise, at the end of that. But here's how it came about. This was the start of it.
And Nathan was coming in.
Trying to make a pass on the outside right there. See the right wing of Alexander Eckmann's airplane, the blue airplane.
Yeah.
And here it comes.
Just a tap. That's all it needs at 480 miles an hour.
Oh. It's like it hit the underside, almost inside the wing. Was up above. And
I want to see Nathan's wing as well.
yeah, Nathan may well have sustained some damage there. That's a scary moment right there.
So Alejandro is a rookie this year. He flew he did exactly what he needed to do. He turned that airspeed into altitude, assessed the situation, called his mayday, did everything 100% correct, got on the ground safely.
Got off the course.
We're going back to live video, see where we are.
And there's the airplane.
Oh,
Look again
boy.
at that right wing of the aircraft. You can see that was not a paint scrape right there. That was significant damage to the aircraft.
Oh, he
Look at
got
the back
tail.
of the tail wing.
I bet you know what that is? That's damage from things coming off. Chunks and bits.
We did see a good bit of debris fall to the desert floor there, and on the way did more damage to that L39 right there.
Glad
And
he's
Alexander
okay.
Eckmann down safely, and that's good news.
And Nathan's still up. Jeff Turney's on his wing. Jeff Turney's a very knowledgeable jet pilot, so Nathan's still up in the air. So he's the one that
Yeah, they're doing
that
an
tapped.
in-air inspection of his
right.
plane, right?
I've been here for a couple of taps of the jet class. One of them had a problem with the gear coming down after a tap like that. So let's see what we have going on now.
I don't know if they are in the area or maybe on the other side of the mountain doing that inspection right now in the air.
It should be right up above us. Let's see. It always makes it a little harder for me because I know everybody. I know their wives. I know their kids. I know their dogs. You know, so it's always a little... Oh, boy. Yeah, Charlie Camilleri's coming in on 1-4, I believe. Oh, no, it's coming in on 8. Giving you a little bit of excitement on a Friday morning.
Boy, a little bit more than you want.
More than I'd want.
We got the outcome we wanted, which was all pilots safe and sound. Plane's going to be a little different story, but that's the secondary concern.
Right, Bob McCormack, just safely our winner for this race. Number 1, Athena, just landed, runway 8.